Alright, rattle gun. Chuck that back on you. That's it. Same thing again. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Perfect. Tie that out of the way. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing down here. I'll take that cap off there. So this just comes off. It's got two tabs that go over each side of that. And then one at the bottom that just slides up. So you slide it up and then push it over. And then the reverse to get it off. Yeah. So if that bar's too long, that extension bar, you can take that off and put the socket straight onto the rattle gun so you can get that off. Because I think that's going to be too long. It's going to get in the way. Over here. So we need a small flathead screwdriver. So round tab here. Flat side there. You need to get a flathead screwdriver and just pop that up. Make you do it with your finger. There's a screw in there that needs to come out, and then we can take this trim off. And then all this trim. That's it. Alright, so same thing again. You need a socket, whatever size that is. What size do you reckon it is? Nah, it's bigger than that. I reckon maybe try 10. Get it on the 1/2 inch drive so that you can use that rattle gun again. Just explain to you the difference in like 1/2 inch drive, 1/4 inch drive. So you want a 1/2 inch drive socket. So what size did I reckon it probably was? Yeah. Well, it helps that I've pulled it apart a few times.
Oh, yeah.
Right, here you go. That's it. Should done. Right, now we can rip that out. Yep, just pull it straight up. That's it. So this is why I bought those bags of clips the other day to replace that plastic one. Yeah, it's snappy. Alright, watch out. I'll chuck a new tab in there, and then that'll put down nicely when we put it back. So that one. So this should all now be ready to rip out. So you want to jump up there, rip it out. I would start here at this end where you've got this. You can get behind it because all it is just like those little white plastic tabs. So start here. I should really take that off as well. Just make it a bit easier. Let's do that. It doesn't matter, we don't need it all the way out anyway. Yep. That's okay, that's okay. Yeah, it's all good. That's it. That's it. Yeah, I know, it's all good. All you can really break is these white tabs, which I've got a whole bag full of more. Yep, that's it. Yeah, that's the way. Use that. Alright. Now, it won't come all the way out. Because if you come around here, there's a loom that's plugged in for the aircon. So come around here and unplug that. Let's see this one. That's the last. So these have got, see this little tab here on the top, you just need to push down and then pull out. That's it. That's it, perfect. Alright, I think you've got the whole thing out. Right. Chucking out the pack. Get it out the way. Yeah, see, look, there's a knackered one there, so we'll replace that. That one's busted. Oh, there's one missing there. That one's busted. So, yeah, it's not a big deal. There's another one missing there, or they might be still stuck in here. But we'll just replace them.
What's this?
Probably a duct for the aircon. Okay.
Yeah.
It's the bottom jack. So it jacks the car. So you just it's just helping it there. Alright. We're ready to put the compressor in. That will come back. Whoa.